Okay, here we go. Carnival Celebration, room tour 12353. Okay, you come in. Oh, look there. There's Laura.
Come on in.
She's optional. You gotta pay extra.
It's not
Okay,
very.
so here we go. We got closets right here to the right. And we already put our carry-on luggage and camera gear, bags, and all that stuff in here. And if you look, they have these adjustable shelves. So I lowered this one down, but it snaps in place up like that. Pretty neat, gives you more options, plenty of hangers. So you got this closet, you got your safe. Okay, pretty sure. Yeah, it's got directions on how to set it. We never use the safe, but there's like a shoe drawer down here, which is kind of neat. The roll-out baskets, pretty cool. Very, very similar to the Mardi Gras, as to be expected. Okay, another set of closets. Another right down there. And here's an example of that drop-down shelf. Pretty neat, huh? So it gives you more options for storage. Got your mirror right there. Okay, we head in. Got a big TV. I forget the class, the exact class of this room, but it is a balcony, and it's a slightly extended balcony. It is on the pretty much midship where the ship kind of flares out. If you look at the XL class ships, you'll notice they kind of bow out on the sides. So here we go. See what kind of power solutions we have. We have a mirror right here. Got the light for it, pretty nice. Hey, nice shirt. And here you go, get your USB ports. Got 4 of those. Got 3 standard outlets. Got your phone for room service. A couple of shelves, plenty of storage. You have this ottoman, which also has storage underneath. You can pull out and you can use it as,
Flips over.
yeah, the top turns into like a serving tray, which is neat. And it's also a seat, so you can sit here if you need to use like a desk. Got more storage here, drawers, hair dryer. And then the new thing they're doing, look at that. That's soft close. There's a guy on YouTube, I can't remember who he is, but he always talks about that, having these soft close drawers. So they must have listened to him. He's got a real big channel. I really wish I remember the guy's name. But here's your refrigerator. So there's no door or refrigerator.
Cooler.
They call it a cooler, as Laura said. There's no drawer, so no door over it, so it's going to be more efficient. If you guys know what I'm talking about, on most of the cruise ships, the cooler refrigerator is behind a closed door. All that heat from the compressor builds up inside there and makes it even harder for it to cool your items. So you don't have that here.
Look at that sticker. It's on upside down. He had one job.
Yeah, look at it. Stickers up there upside down. That's pretty crazy. And then Laura's sitting on, I believe this is a sofa sleeper. So this room would sleep 3. You have lighting, pretty neat, right here. And let's see what do we have over here by the bed. Okay, got USB port on each side of the bed, which is great. Additional lighting, which is cool. You have the controls for the lights. I think that's really neat. Makes it feel like there's a window or something behind here. And you can turn off the power, the lights from your bed, which is really neat. So you don't have to argue over who's got to get up and turn the lights out at night. No, we don't do that. I just get up and turn them out. There's no arguing. She's in charge. Okay, so another light, another USB port, another nightstand. So this is awesome. We wish all the cruise ships were set up like that. Now, we're gonna look out here. Here is the reason why you spend more money. Oh yeah, look at this. First time I've seen this balcony with you guys. All right, let's see if I remember how to open this. All right, up is close. There you go. Now she is open. Nice and smooth, brand new stuff here, guys. Check this out. This is incredible. Here we are, Port of Miami. Brand new Terminal F. Look how nice. But look how roomy this balcony is. I almost forgot. the bathroom. How did I do that? How did I forget? All of these room tours and I forget to do the bathroom. Okay, first thing I noticed, the bathroom door stays propped open and you have a couple hooks on the door to hang your towels to dry, which is really cool. And oh, hey, look, look at that. Huddle Adventures purple. You can get yours today from our spring store. Shameless plug. All right, so there seems to be, you know, a little tight around the toilet here, but lots of storage. And what is really cool is the shower seems to be much bigger. And see how this is like a space-saving mechanism here, this hinge. See how it hinges like that? Kind of hard to see. Let me back it up. Okay. Now look at that, guys. Now this thing, so when it opens, look how it just comes out half the distance. Now a normal hinge, this door would swing all the way out, you know, to about where my hand's at. So it leaves you room to get in. And then when you get in the shower, plenty of room. You know, I'm 6'8", so you see me, I fit in here, oh wait, I'm 5'8". I fit in here really good. So, yeah, there's plenty of room for the tall fellas. I'm telling you, I bet you someone that's like 6'8" would be able to stand up in here without bending over. There's no shower curtain to stick to your behind, so it's really nice. We had the same setup on the Mardi Gras, and it is really nice. They even have the rail down there, the foot thing for women when they shave their legs. So it's well thought out. You got your shampoo and a shower gel is normal. And also, they still have the shower line. You can go across there to dry your bathing suits and whatnot. So, nice bathroom. Let's see what's down here. Okay, got storage down here. All right, nothing down there, but you can put your stuff down there. Got the garbage can. Nice setup, guys. And there's also the outlet up here. There's always this outlet up here, like for electric shavers and stuff. A lot of people don't know about that, or they forget about it. But this is, man, you can tell it is brand new. I don't know if anyone even ever stayed in here before. It just looks like it's, you know, pristine. So we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye. One side note, guys. Sorry. See that light? Here's lights on, lights off. That's like a night light. It stays on all the time, which is great because when you get up in the middle of the night and you're out at sea and there are, you know, no lights anywhere, it is super dark in your cabin, even if you do have a balcony or a window view. So having that is a, you know, a real nice feature. So you don't have to turn on the lights and wake up everybody in your cabin. You just open the door and you go right in the bathroom and you can still see and not trip over the threshold. I always talk about that. The first cruise vlog we ever did, I tripped going into the bathroom trying to be a professional and started laughing and just kept it in there. So, you know, gotta stick with your errors sometimes. But nice feature. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.